Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to rotate a single or all pages of PDF file. Here is our PDF file. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. So, let's do it. Go to any browser, type rotate PDF, go to the site, select your PDF, and here we rotate all pages at once. If you need a single page only, just type Organize PDF. Go to the site, select your PDF, voila! Here you can do anything you want. Rotate and delete some pages and so on. So, I rotate the page 2 and organize it. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!